Hello, hello, welcome. For this class, we will be learning how to use a application that is on most of our devices. Let's look. We should have a program called OneNote. Let's click on this, and as you can see, it is a program where we can use it kind of like an electronic online journal, planner, notebook, exactly what it is, right? So it's going to be helpful. It's something that you can use to organize yourselves for your courses. You can put important information. You can kind of create a planner that will help you be more successful in organizing yourselves. It's going to help you with time management, and I'm here to help you navigate through this program on your laptop so that you can be more successful. Here we go. So as you saw, we will go to our programs. We'll click on the OneNote, and this is what should pop up. We're going to add a page, and on this, you're able to name it. So for the sake of this class, community health nursing, let's put our reference number or course number. Okay. All right. And okay. So this is going to be the name of this page here. What I like to do, I'm going to just keep this notebook right now for this one course. And I'm going to add pages here because why? I like to see things at a glance. It helps me to find things quicker. And this is how I like to set it up. Now, for this course, we do have to have our service hours. Okay, so this will be our service hours, and you can see here, like this Saturday, we do have volunteer opportunities in our community, so I'll put that there, and we will do farm share. Okay, and then I believe on the following day, there is another service opportunity, and as you can see, this is how. Oh, here's a typo. Let me just fix this really quick. Oh, okay, wonderful. And the next day we do have another volunteer opportunity. And so you can see this is how you can set up and organize your information ahead of time. And you would just click on these tabs to see what is available coming up and what you can do. So this is how you can organize yourself. All right, so let's do another page where we will title this one do work. Okay, and or rather, since let's stay numerical, right? Okay, we have readings on food deserts. Okay, and the assignment that's due would be a 300-word essay and a 100-word response to a classmate. And the essay prompt would be, what should nurses educate patients on living in these communities? All right, so that would be how we would set up our personal notebook, our personal online planner, and everything's at a glance. Maybe you would like to have classmate contact information. That's helpful. We can put classmates. Okay. All right. And then we can put their email information as well. Okay. And so on and so forth. And you can see here how we can click on this to add our tabs and click on here to put the file. And you can see, let's go back, how under the tabs, if we choose this or this, this or this, so the service hours, we can see at a glance on what day, what service hour, what event we can join. You know, this is something that we can set up to better organize ourselves so that we can be successful, okay? So I hope that this was helpful. I hope that this is going to be something that you would love using for your future courses. It's certainly portable. You use your laptops for your classes, and all of your information will be in your laptop. So it's going to be at the palm of your hands. So thank you so much for listening in on this in-service on how to use OneNote. Thank you.